my more important analysis videos with me, Rich Parent Market Analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at dollar yen, which is a very interesting chart because dollar yen has not taken off. You've seen dollar strength significantly across the charts of the major pairs, and you haven't really seen that on dollar yen. Now let me show you a chart which I find interesting. This is dollar yen versus the 10-year Treasury yield. Very much moving lockstep, doesn't it? However, look at this divergence. 10-year Treasury yield up, dollar yen hasn't picked up yet. Does that suggest that we're going to see dollar yen picking up in due course? Possibly so, but it hasn't yet broken out, and certainly the market is sort of ranging for now. Underneath the 1 at 10 sort of 50 area, having been that spike high last week on payrolls, the market is just sort of buzzed around. Although the positive candles are starting to sort of gain a bit of traction again to the upside, and there is a degree of recovery going on in the momentum indicators. You've got the MACD lines which are crossed higher, the stochastics which are pointing higher, as is the RSI. But it still looks to be a near-term recovery. I mean, you've got this sort of key breakdown around the middle, and basically this is still trading in a long-term range, isn't it? That support of the range, 827, held earlier this week. 843 is the low, bounced. Market's still trading within that range, and there is a pivot within that range, 1085. So it could still just be merely an unwinding back towards that pivot, which would be interesting because it's effectively still just unwinding these oversold momentum indicators. So on a longer term basis, this is not really a dollar recovery at all. This is a sort of a rebound back towards a pivot within a range. But we'll have to sort of keep an eye on how this one moves. But certainly the dollar is set up for a recovery, certainly on the yield differentials. But at the moment isn't really taking off on dollar yen, so it'll be interesting to see if it does. But for now, we're still sort of buzzing around 109.75. It was an old resistance, became a degree of support. It seems to again be a near-term pivot, doesn't it? But a break through that, and you're looking at 110.20 and 110.50. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.